Hey guys, it's Crystal back with another video for you. So you all know that I've been focusing a lot of my attention onto the Honda Civic. You know that I had that hit and run a few weeks ago and I had damaged this entire backside, but thanks to Collision Hero in Upland, it is looking brand new again. I got the new taillight installed. It looks so much better. I have that spoiler here, my new emblem, so my car is looking pretty fit, but I think we can step it up a notch to make it not only look fit, but look pretty thick. So stay tuned to see what I've got. So I feel like I love the look of my car overall. I feel like it is coming together really nicely, but to step it up a notch in the back, I was looking into getting a rear lip. So I know it's really common to get that OEM Honda lip used. They go for about $1,200 and everybody has it. They're really common, but I wanted to do something a little bit different. So I did come across Mode Parfume's lip. So Mode Parfume came out with this lip. It is brand new. It was inspired by the Civic Type R lip, and guys, I think I am the first one in the United States to have it and have it fully painted and ready to install. So I did feature that in my last video or a few videos ago. It came cut in half. I did take it to that body shop and they put it together for me. They repainted it for me. It is ready to go, guys, and that's what I'm going to be adding to my Civic today. So this is the lip all finished. I did take it to Collision Hero to get it pieced together. They used body filler to go ahead and mend the two pieces, and you cannot tell at all that it was ever in two pieces. They painted it, so they color matched the championship white to make sure that it was the perfect shade, and it looks so good. They sanded everything down and it is ready to put back on. So excited, guys. They did an amazing job. I'm gonna go ahead and do a quick test fit, so stand by. Here is the lip on the Civic. Again, guys, this is just a test fit, so it's not on all the way, but here is what it looks like. So if you're familiar with the Civic Si lip, you'll know that it is very plain Jane, one continuous line along the bottom here, but you can see exactly how this kind of mimics that Civic Type R lip as it comes up here. I love it. It gives it so much character, and I think overall just the look is really beautiful. It definitely makes it stand out. Again, guys, this is a brand new lip by Mode Parfume. It just came out about 2 months ago, and if I'm not mistaken, I think I am the first or one of the first to have this all the way done in North America, so I'm very excited about that. But you can just see how all the lines fit perfectly. This is not your typical cheap eBay lip. Everything looks beautiful, looks symmetrical. It does align with my exhaust perfectly, so I'm so excited to get all this 3M tape off and stick it on so that I can see that finished product. So the test fit is now complete. Before I go through with the install, I wanted to show off something that I'm going to be putting on as my own little personal touch. So I have this accessory here. I like to call it my lip liner. I went ahead and put it on my front Type R lip, and I'm kind of going with this theme throughout the entire car. So I have this up in the front. I kind of lined it with my license plate here, and then I'm also going to have it on the top of the rear lip. So it's really easy to put on. I haven't showed it off before, so you guys will get to see. I have the part number here in case you are interested in purchasing that. But yeah, guys, let's get started. Before I install the liner, I'm going to go ahead and clean that surface with just alcohol. So this is where your girly stuff comes in handy. Just taking a little cotton pad, going like so. And then this is where I'll be putting it on. I'm just going to go all around. Alright, I think we are ready. See, look how much dirt came off. I'm glad I did that. So this is how the liner looks when it's unraveled. You'll see that little tape-like stuff right here. So I'm going to start peeling it off. It's going to go on the lip like so. Just a little demonstration before I get it on. So you see the tape on the inside, and it's just going to go along like that. So let me go ahead and start. Sorry, my nails are freaking hideous right now. So I'm not going to go all the way in just because this part is going to be hidden anyway. Okay, so I have that aligned, looking good. And I'm just going to go ahead and start peeling this off and slowly getting that on. Okay, so all I'm going to be doing is focusing on getting this all onto the lip, and then I'll check in when I'm done. Okay, so checking in again, the lip liner is all on and it's looking gorgeous. So now it's time to continue on with the rest of the install. Mode Parfume does provide us with instructions and hardware. Of course, the instructions are in Japanese. So cool, and I totally can't read Japanese. But just from the pictures, the first step is to go ahead and apply that 3M tape, which I already did on here. The next step would be to get the two pieces put together, and it does recommend that you take that to a body shop and have them go ahead and put the filler. Then the next step, it's showing you that you're gonna have to put the 4 bolts down here at the bottom, and it did come with those, so I have those here. And yeah, looks like there's another bolt that comes here, so I have these 2 screws. It looks like one on either side, just to make sure that's secure by the wheel. And then last but not least, to take off that 3M tape and get everything stuck on there. So pretty simple and straightforward. I'm just gonna go ahead and do that for you guys so that you can see how it's done. The lip is now on. It took a little bit longer than expected, but it looks so good. I am very impressed with the overall fitment. The only concern that I have is that my exhaust is sitting a little bit too high. I'm just afraid that since it's touching here, it's gonna melt my lip. So I'm gonna see what I can do about that. Maybe take it to a shop tomorrow and see if they can help me adjust that a little bit. So aside from the way my exhaust is sitting, and it's not the lip spot at all, the exhaust hangers that I have are really short. So I need to look into getting some exhaust hangers that are longer with holes that are tight enough so that it's not moving around everywhere. So besides that, overall it fits like a glove. I don't have any awkward spacing anywhere. Even with this lip liner that I had put in, it looks really, really good. I'm not seeing any spaces. It looks like everything is sealed. Just the overall look of the car looks amazing. It was really simple to install. But yeah, guys, let me know what you think. So yeah, guys, overall A+ for the Mode Parfume lip. You guys know me, I'm all about doing things a little bit different and making my build as unique as possible. So yeah, just a reminder, this lip is for the 99 to 2000 coupes and sedans. But yeah, guys, don't my girl look thick? That booty looking fire. I'm obsessed. Alrighty guys, so the second half of this video I will be installing these JDM SIR headlights. So I did feature these a few videos ago. Just to save time, I'm not going to do a full-on install video. I did already do one. You can click the link right above if you want to reference that video. Alright guys, so just a reminder, what I have on my car right now are some eBay headlights. So let's go take a look at them. So on this side you can see that I have that clear coat fading away already. And then on this other side, you can see again with the clear coat and then that condensation buildup. And just a quick comparison, so you can see there's already that yellow tint on here compared to my new SIR headlight. So much better and so much better quality too, so I can expect great results with this. I've only had these on for about a year and this is already how they're looking. Alrighty, the lights are installed and this is the finished look. Guys, I'm so proud of my whole look right now. The lights just give it such a new feeling, and all of you who have been following my build since the very beginning know that my whole goal has just been to really restore the Civic and make it look brand new again. I feel like I really am accomplishing that look. So in the front here, I have the Civic Type R front lip, I have the Civic Type R grille, and now these SIR headlights. I do have those side view mirrors already in that I did show off a few videos ago. I broke the glass for one of the mirrors, so I'm waiting for a new piece to come in. Again, those are JDM side mirrors, so I'm very, very excited. These headlights though, let's stay on that. Just comparing, so this is again the eBay headlights. They are yellowed, they have condensation in them, they are just not looking cute anymore. The clear coat is coming off and you can totally see it peeling right up here. Overall, it just looks so hideous, but you can really tell when you're holding them side by side. But overall, this is just such a huge upgrade from the eBay lights that I had. But yeah, guys, let me know what you think. Do you like my headlights? Do you like the build so far? I am obsessed. So before I peace out for today, I just wanted to give another reminder that I do have a Carson Coffee coming up on December 5th. So if you are local to the Southern California area, it is going to be at the Panera Bread in Rancho Cucamonga, right off of East 4th Street, across the street from the Ontario Mills Mall. So that's going to be from 7:30 in the morning till 10 a.m. All cars are welcome, and I think that'll be a really great opportunity to meet all you guys and get to see your builds. Once again, that is December 5th, so come out, support, and if you show us the little flyer that I have on Instagram or mention that you're with the meet, we'll go ahead and give you a free small coffee for coming out to support. So free stuff is always nice. Another reminder, I do have a sticker that is out with Refined Movement. It is for sale now, and I will go ahead and leave that a link somewhere around here. But go ahead and support us. They are a great YouTube channel. If you don't follow them already, go ahead and subscribe. They are my inspiration for all things that I do with YouTube. So thank you to them, and go support. That pretty much wraps up the video for today. So as always, if you liked it, go ahead and drop a like down below. Leave me your comments. Subscribe to my YouTube channel to stay updated on my car scene life. So yeah, guys, that's all I have. Until next time, Queen Bierzy out.